If Maggie Can You Can, Making of a Scientist Episode 2. 17-year-old Meghana is a blind student who wrote her 10th and 11th board exams using her computer. She fought for her right to study science and technology for her higher studies and chase her passion to become a scientist. The episodes are made to break the myths of what the blind can't do. They can do anything that any sighted can do. In this episode is about how Meghana tried her creativity in pottery at ARTIZO, an art fraternity in Vijayawada where they teach animation and various art courses. In this episode, Meghana and her friends at the Chakshumathi's Ram Parivar are experiencing making at the Pottery workshop at ARTIZO. ARTIZO campus, near Loyola College, Vijayawada. ARTIZO is a training institute on various creative courses including animation, social media influencing, art and craft, and poetry. A purpose-built campus now become a joint for creative minds of Vijayawada. Meghana and her friends Gautami, Deepika, Akshita, Isparya, Tejaswani, and Pranita enjoyed their first pottery session at ARTIZO.